There are a lot of synergies, whether it's understanding a product, whether it's raising capital, whether it's brainstorming with fellow founders. I see since Conscent is in the space of building some of the world-class products in the media tech space, I see a lot of understanding coming in from fellow founders when it comes to build a good product out of India for the world. I also see quite a bit of understanding coming in from IPV members, whether it's Mitesh or anybody else, on helping us becoming a more compliant company, from helping us create better financials, reporting, and have a better structure in place, which helps for a better governed and a more smooth operative company in nature. When it comes to fundraise, I see the IPV network to be far and wide, which helps us connect with more like-minded investors, which helps us connect with more like-minded people in the ecosystem, which eventually, from conversations to as we go deeper inside those conversations, which eventually helps us build a better network of investors and eventually get better funding. I have seen IPV go rally with its investee companies, with the portfolio companies. Regular meetups, regular conversations with IPV founders I often see that as a very balanced approach towards building a company for the next round. I see that our monthly meetings with Mitesh, or our quarterly sales updates, those MIS meetings, that really helps us keeping our growth in line with what is required for follow-on rounds. Interventions while we grow the company from IPV team also helps us building the company for the follow-on round. So so a lot of companies spend a lot of time doing the same mistakes, but if you have IPV on your cap table, it also helps us find out those mistakes early on and correct them, right, as we go forward, right. As far as the network is concerned, I think it has one of the largest networks of investors and follow-on round investors, larger investors like Sequoia, Tiger, Lightspeed, so on and so forth. IPV has very deep relationships with them. So as and when you go into that next round of funding, it will IPV's network really comes in handy. I have seen that with many of the other portfolio companies, and I see that happening to ourselves as well.